would you be aware that the President of Uganda then complained publicly in his State of the Nation address that the money that the FIA, the Financial Intelligence Authority of Uganda, actually froze accounts of this particular company?
Let me start by saying, in terms of the phone call, from where I sit, I'm not aware of it. But maybe given time, I can try to find out, because we have very many senior people in the bank, both at the group and also at the Kenyan level. We also have many board members, so it may not have come to my attention to whom he might have called. But from where I sit, I'm not aware.
To Harun Aydin or any company that is related to him, I think we'd like to reiterate the fact that Mr. Harun Aydin does not exist in our records, either directly or indirectly, as an account holder, a customer, or a borrower. So from Equity Bank's point of view, we have no relationship whatsoever with him.